everyone, let us solve the following. You want to erect a pole of height 10 meters with the support of 3 ropes. Each rope has to make an angle 30 degrees with the pole. What should be the length of the rope? Okay. So let the length of each rope be x meters. Okay, the pole is vertical and has a height of 10 meters. It is given in the problem. Each rope makes an angle 30 degrees with the pole. This is the information given. Let us model the same in the form of this diagram. So this is one rope and this is one rope. Okay, and the third rope is shown in the form of dotted lines, and this 10 meters line is the height of the pole. Okay, clear? So we need to find out the length of the rope. We have three ropes. Okay, so we need to find out the total length of the rope to make that particular pole erect, to stand erect. Okay, right now, as you can see from the diagram, the rope and the pole forms a right angle triangle. We are considering one rope here. Say suppose this side rope, okay, and the pole is to be erect. Erect means stand straight. That means here the ground and pole angle will be 90 degrees. There is no doubt about that. Okay, that means here the rope is making 30 degrees angle. So when we see this total arrangement, it is looking like a right angle triangle. Okay, so in a right angle triangle, when we apply some trigonometric ratios, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here we are considering the angle 30 degrees, acute angle. Okay, so here this particular angle, for this angle, the adjacent side becomes the height of the pole. Okay, and the hypotenuse becomes the length of the rope. Okay, length of the rope we are considering as x meters. Okay, so just substituting theta value as 30 degrees, what does it become? Cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is the simple trigonometric ratio that we know. Okay, just we are substituting those values. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent side means it is nothing but 10 meters by x. X we don't know, hypotenuse, which is nothing but the length of the rope. So by transposing the terms, x into cos 30 is equal to 10. Okay, so but we know cos 30 value as root 3 by 2. Okay, just I am substituting cos 30 here. That means x into root 3 by 2 is equal to 10. Again, we are transposing all the constants one side. So x is equal to 10 by root 3 by 2. Then after simplification, x becomes 20 by root 3. What do we get? 20 by root 3. What is that? X. What is x? X is nothing but the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but the length of the rope. This is the length of one rope. But we know we need three ropes, such ropes are three to make that pole erect, stand erect. So we got the length of one rope as 20 by root 3 meters, but we need three ropes length. So simply what can we do? We can multiply the length of each rope into 3. So 3 into 20 by root 3, that is equal to 60 by root 3. Okay, 60 by root 3. After simplification, so we are making simplification here. 60 by root 3, both the sides, we have multiplied by root 3 by root 3, that is nothing but 1. So this is all about simplification. So finally what does it become? 20 into root 3. 20 into, we know the value of root 3. What is it? 1.732. So 20 into 1.732. It is nothing but 34.64 meters. This is the total length of the rope which is required. Total length of three ropes we can say. Okay, total length of three ropes which are required to make a pole of 10 meters height to stand erect. Okay, and one more point is given, each rope should make 30 degrees angle. Okay, so we need to imagine, we need to model the given information in the form of a diagram. Then, if we apply simple trigonometric ratios, it is easy for us to calculate the required thing. When adjacent side is given, hypotenuse is given, what trigonometric ratio to be taken? When opposite side and adjacent side are given, what trigonometric ratio to be taken? When we are what trigonometric ratios are to be taken? If you are able to finalize that, it is easy for us to calculate the required things. Okay, so here we have applied cos 30. Okay, so by applying cos 30 value and taking the height of the pole into consideration, we are able to find the length of the rope that is required. It is nothing but 34.64 meters. Okay, I hope you understood the problem. If you understand, please like, share, and subscribe.